What's up, my crypto people? Let's talk about XRP. Can it reach $200 and in which time frame? And let's do some price predictions. But first, let's jump into the markets and see what's happening in the crypto space. So Bitcoin at the moment around 95k and Ethereum around 2,600, XRP at $2.46, Solana at $154. If we go to trading view on the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin at this moment, based on the ribbons, is either going sideways or even downwards. If we look at this green money flow going to the red part, we can see that either we go sideways or even a little bit lower, but based on this green candle we will be going sideways. If we look at the daily time frame, and there we can see we've just printed a short signal, so coming days Bitcoin will be going down further, so maybe even to 94, 93k. So there's still some pain ahead, so be prepared for that. And let's have a look at the crypto bubbles. There we can see that almost everything is in the red. We have some one or two big gainers here. IP at almost 18%, but most of the market is in the red. So let's talk about XRP. The XRP at this moment is around $2.46. We can see the market cap is around 142 billion, and volume is up quite a lot, almost 100%. So that's a good sign for XRP. If we look at the trading view for XRP, we can see that it also does almost the same as what Bitcoin is doing. It's going down at this moment. We printed the green dot here on Market Cipher, so that is signaling that we're curving where we'll be going up again for XRP. And if we look at the daily time frame, we also, just like Bitcoin, we still have some red candles here. And here we also printed the red dot on Market Cipher, and based on the green money flow, we can see we're also going down. It went down a little bit and it's up again, but I think we will be going down again for XRP. I would say these moments are good moments to stack up some XRP because you can buy cheap. So buy low, sell high, as we say. But as always, it's not financial advice. But let's see what's happening in the news for XRP. There's a lot of things coming out, so I'll have a lot to share with you guys. So XRP ETF receives historic approval in Brazil as Blockscale Launchpad unlocks assets tokenization opportunity on the XRP ledger. We can also see in the US, the Security Exchange Commission acknowledged Bitwise XRP ETF filing. We also have the following piece of news. Donald Trump effect bumps Ripple Labs US deals XRP gains. The shift in focus towards the US market is part of Ripple's response to the Trump effect, which is believed to be making crypto more favorable in the US. Trump has said that there won't be taxes on crypto companies that are in the US, that have their main office in the US. So that's also positive for XRP, since XRP is also US based. So we also have Brasa Bank is launching the BBRL stablecoin on the XRP ledger. So pegged to the Brazilian real, BBRL offers secure, efficient digital transactions for Brazil and South Africa. So launching early 2025 this year for institutional clients. So that's also very positive. So we have the president of XRP also talking about an ETF. Let's hear what she has to say.
A lot of questions around whether you could see an ETF tied to spot XRP. What kind of discussions are you having with people about this? Do you think we'll see one soon?
I think we will see one very soon. I think that we will see more, various crypto spot ETFs this year coming out of the U.S. And I think XRP is likely to be next in line after Bitcoin and ETH. There's already been a number of different companies like Canary and others who have filed. And so we think, especially with the administration change, and that the approvals of those filings will accelerate.
Bitwise has come through and been the one to deliver. We also have a trust filing from Canary Capital for an XRP ETF. And that tells me that BlackRock is likely not too far behind with their iShares that mysteriously disappeared last year after it was filed in November. Hopefully this brings liquidity into XRP. I know a lot of people have been waiting on price appreciation for a significant period of time. We did see a significant rise in Bitcoin with the launch and the advent of their ETF approval earlier this year in January. So for me, I remain hopeful and looking forward to the fact that we are going to see approval by the SEC for an XRP ETF here in the short term.
So let me know down in the comments what you think about this. Will we be getting an ETF pretty soon or not? Is it this year, next year, or do you think within the coming months? Let me know in the comments down below. So in the past I did a small study about where XRP can be reaching based on its value. So if we have a look at scenario 3, if you would like to know scenario 1 and 2, just go and look at my previous video about XRP. Then we can see that if XRP replaces 5% of the global money supply, which is at 90 trillion at the moment, and with the velocity of 2, velocity of 2 would mean 2 transactions per day. So then you would come to this formula, so that 5% of the global money supply, and that 100 billion divided by that 2, the velocity, then you have this formula, and then XRP would have a value of around $45. So if we round it up, let's say it's $50 per coin, and with the extreme best case scenario, then we would have $50 per coin. So my conclusion was that if we have that global reserve 5%, $40 to $50, and with extreme adoption that it could go even higher, like let's say $100. So let's say if we would take this 5% to say it becomes 100%, so times 20. That would mean 20 times $50, that's around $1,000. So even then we won't be reaching that 10K that a lot of people are saying XRP would be reaching. So the only reason I think XRP could get to 10K is when all the banks together decide that we're going to value XRP at 10K. And don't get me wrong, I also have XRP. I would love XRP to get to that 10K. I would be very happy, but I don't think it's realistic without somebody coming in and saying, okay, let's make an agreement and put its value at 10K. But let's see what the future will bring. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Do you think that based on that technical analysis that XRP can reach that $219? Or do you agree with me that with this little research that I did, that it's unrealistic that XRP would even surpass that $100? Let me know down in the comment. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, get the vibe, and as always, I'm out.